Good afternoon, students. We are going to discuss regarding the whatever homework I was assigned, what the particulars are there and what the answers are there. That only we are going to discuss here. Page number 11, question number A, working with the language. In that only, fill in the blanks in the sentences below with the words or the phrases from the box. You may not know the meaning of all the words. Look such words up in a dictionary or ask your teacher. Here only one group of the phrase or the words and only answers I am going to write here. According to that, you have to check whatever the particulars are there. Some people find household chores. A bore, but I like to help at home. Who stole? This is the first answer. This is the first answer. Page number 11, textbook. Which I gave as a homework. Few are completed, still few are not completed. They have to see this, they have to check the answers, and according to that only they have to try to complete this homework. Second is there that who stole the diamond is still a out of luck. Out of luck. This is the second question. Means here whatever the words and the phrases they are given, according to that only we have to complete the work. We have to find out the answers. Got it? This dash dash we are going to have a class exhibition. This third is the semester. Okay? First one is the some people find household dash dash a bore, but I like to help at home. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at them. Okay, second is there that who stole the diamond is still a out of luck. Okay, out of luck. Third one is there that this dash dash we are going to have a class exhibition and the answer is semester. Okay, after that dash dash the elf began to help Patrick. True to his word. Fourth is true to his word. This is the answer of fourth one. Got it? This is the answer of the fourth one. See, fifth one is there that can you dash dash this word in the dictionary? Can you dash dash this word in the dictionary? Fifth answer is there that look up. Look up. Sixth is there, according to that, I started early to be on time, but I was see sixth one, I started early to be on time, but I was mystery. I was mystery. There was a traffic jam. And seventh is there that she says she's got a lot of books, but between you and me. Between you and me. Means whatever the work I was assigned, few students are submitted this, few are still confused. So one by one you have to keep in mind these all answers, and according to that only you have to try to complete this work. First is the chores, means some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help at home. Second is there that who stole the diamond is still out of luck. This semester we are going to have a class exhibition, and true to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Can you look up this word in the dictionary? I started early to be on time, but I was mystery. There was a traffic jam, and she says she's got a lot of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are borrowed. Got it, students? According to this only, you have to complete your work and submit the assignment in time. Thank you.